Hi, I'm attorney Jeff Briggs. I'm excited to introduce ManhattanBeach.LAW, a brand new, innovative law practice committed to providing the highest quality legal services to our South Bay clients, all at an exceptional value. We formed ManhattanBeach.LAW as a full-service, one-stop shop for all of your legal needs. We ask, give us the opportunity to be your attorney. We won't disappoint you. I've been practicing law in California for over 30 years. I moved to the South Bay after graduating from UCLA, and we've been here ever since. We're raising our family here. Our kids go to Grandview, and soon we'll be moving on to MBMS and Costa. We feel very fortunate to be part of our wonderful South Bay community. Personally, my practice includes complex multi-party litigation in both federal and state courts. And over the years, I've learned a few things, including how to build a fantastic legal team and where best to focus our effort and attention to achieve the best results on behalf of our clients. I'm extremely proud of the group of exceptional attorneys and legal professionals that we've assembled for you at ManhattanBeach.LAW. First, our skilled personal injury team handles only catastrophic, life-changing injuries and wrongful death cases. We are extremely selective with the injury cases that we accept, and if we take your case, we will give it the attention, focus, and priority that it deserves. Unlike other firms that handle hundreds or even thousands of personal injury cases at a time, we do not mix your serious injury case with dog bites, fender benders, or slip and falls at the local grocery store. We simply don't accept those type of cases. We put our energy and focus on serious injury cases only, where it belongs. In addition, we have a full-service business litigation and transactional team, which serves a complete range of business matters, including dispute resolution, litigation, both plaintiff and defense, crafting and reviewing contracts and agreements, employment and contractor issues and disputes, real estate and construction matters, pursuing claims and collecting monies due, and most importantly, doing what we do best, helping our clients avoid and solve the problems and the disputes that inevitably come up in business and in life. And let me emphasize that last point. At ManhattanBeach.LAW, we are committed to quickly, efficiently, and favorably resolving disputes on behalf of our clients. In my experience, unfortunately, far too often, attorneys tell clients what they want to hear, a best case outcome, rather than advising them on the most probable result based on applying the facts to the law. What happens next? The client sets their expectations on a best case only outcome, locks into that position, and pays a massive amount of attorney's fees pursuing that pie in the sky, only to reach a conclusion months or even years later that could and should have been reached early on. In this situation, there is only one winner, the lawyer, who hauled in huge attorney's fees for completely unproductive and non-result oriented legal services. Unfortunately, far too many lawyers feed off of and even prolong disputes, which is a benefit to them only, rather than working towards a solution quickly, efficiently, and favorably on behalf of their clients. At ManhattanBeach.LAW, our approach is completely different. We measure success not by the size of our bill or the length of our representation, but by outcomes, achieving the best results for our valued clients in the most efficient and cost-effective way. As we see it, our job is to get in, solve the problem favorably and efficiently, and get out. When it comes to fees, we reject the all too common take it or leave it attitude. Rather, we maintain flexibility in our billing arrangements so that we can best meet the needs and the budgets of our valued clients. For serious injury cases, our contingency fees are as low as 25%, and our business litigation and transactional team maintains very reasonable hourly rates. Despite how self-important some attorneys seem to think they are, an hourly rate of $1,000 or more is, in our view, completely ridiculous. In addition to our reasonable rates, our billing practices are also very efficient and client-focused. Unlike other firms, you'll never see a charge for a quick phone call or a follow-up email. Our attorneys do not have minimum billable hours, and we only bill for work that is substantive and meaningful towards a successful outcome for our clients. Bottom line, if you or someone close to you has been seriously injured, or if you're in need of business litigation or any legal transactional services, please reach out to us. Call us or send us an email or a text. The consultation is always absolutely free of charge. And if you have a legal matter that requires a particular specialty, for example, family law, wills and trusts, probate, tax, bankruptcy, intellectual property, or securities, please reach out to us. Over the years, I've developed a fantastic network of top specialist attorneys, and I would be happy to refer them to you, always free of charge. Thank you, and we look forward to the opportunity to be your attorney.